VEEK-MT2 is the latest upgraded version of our video and embedded evaluation kit. The focus of this upgrade is the HSMC interface, multi-touch LCD and camera board in the front. The LCD panel still maintains the 7-inch size, however, the VEEK-MT2 can support up to 5-point touch. CMOS sensor increases to 800 million pixels and it also supports autofocus. In addition to the original G sensor, we also added Gyroscope and Magnetometer sensors in the motion tracking application to provide a wider range of application possibilities. The DE2-115 FPGA board located in the back of the kit is the backbone of this video and embedded evaluation kit. In addition to its 115K logic elements Cyclone IV FPGA, it also provides communication, multimedia, and memory storing. VEEK-MT2 retains a straightforward operating application selector, just like the previous version. It allows users to turn on the power and accesses various demos that are stored in the SD card through Touch Panel. All of these demos are provided in the open source system CD. The following is a detailed instruction of all the applications. Painter. Users can touch the LCD screen with their fingers to draw patterns. It can use up to 5 fingers to draw. It also can send specific gestures such as zoom and identification up, down, right, and left directions. Picture Viewer. VEEK-MT2 also can be used as a picture viewer. The photos stored in the SD card will be displayed in the sequence on the LCD. Camera Demo. The demo will instantly display the captured images from the CMOS sensor on the LCD screen. Users can gently touch the screen and the system will automatically adjust the lens focal length to get a clearer picture. VIP Camera. A VIP camera is an application that uses Altera video and image processing IP to perform complex image processing. When the demo is executing, you can view a box displayed inside of the screen. The image displayed inside of the box is the images captured by the CMOS sensor. The users can use their finger to adjust the corners of the box to zoom in and out. The users can also place their finger inside the box and drag the box to change the direction of the movement of the box. G Sensor Level. The next application uses G Sensor as a level instrument. E-Compass. Finally, we also provide a compass demonstration based on the accelerometer and magnetometer on board, which implements it into an electronic compass. Regardless of how you horizontally move the VEEK-MT2 around, the pointer on the screen will always point to the north. This demo can also be paired with a set of 3D correction tools, as long as the PC user via UART to USB cable has a connection to the VEEK-MT2. Compass sensors can obtain information on the coordinates of the GUI on your computer accordingly.